Picture this, a world where your programming skills are not just an asset, but a passport to a thriving career in software development. Imagine being a sought-after professional, capable of handling both front-end and back-end tasks with equal proficiency. Now stop imagining and start actualizing this with the Full-Stack Java Development course at the CSDT Centre. The Full-Stack Java Development course is not just another course, it's a comprehensive journey into the world of Java programming. It's a voyage that takes you from the basics to the advanced concepts of Java, all the while ensuring you gain a solid understanding of the language's core principles. But that's not all. This course also dives deep into front-end development with React, a popular JavaScript library known for its efficiency and flexibility. You'll learn how to create interactive user interfaces, manage application state, and handle asynchronous API calls, all with the power of React. The journey continues with a deep dive into back-end mastery with Spring Boot. This powerful, production-ready tool is a staple in the world of Java development, and you'll learn how to use it to create standalone, production-grade applications that can be justly proud of. But what's a full-stack developer without a solid understanding of database integration? Fear not, for this course has got you covered. You'll learn how to integrate databases into your applications, ensuring your data flows seamlessly from front-end to back-end. And the cherry on top? Hands-on project experience. You'll work on real-world projects, applying what you've learned in a practical setting. This experience not only solidifies your knowledge, but also gives you a taste of what it's like to work as a full-stack Java developer. But the Full-Stack Java Development course is more than just a collection of modules. It's an industry-driven curriculum designed with the current demands of the software development field in mind. It's a course that prepares you for the realities of the job market, offering career guidance and placement assistance to ensure you land on your feet. Why choose the Full-Stack Java Development course at the CSDT Centre? The answer is simple: real-world project exposure, expert instructor-led sessions, code optimization techniques, and a collaborative learning environment. All of these elements combined create a job-ready skill set that sets you apart in the competitive world of software development. So, are you ready to revolutionize your coding journey? Are you prepared to unlock the doors to a dynamic career in software development? If the answer is yes, then there's only one thing left to do. Enroll in the Full-Stack Java Development course at the CSDT Centre. Your journey to full-stack Java mastery awaits.